Well, we're doing to the next hide.
Still a car reveal, but we've just been on the other side in the hood. No, come to check
There's a woodland hide just over the top of there, up through there.
The pond's outside this one. This is where the kingfisher comes and that, isn't it? So,
Aye.
Let's
see what it's like.
Yes.
Oh, bird just jumped in front of there. British garden birds there on the wall. See if we can spot anything. There's a magpie sitting there.
There's a little duckling on the water.
Aye. Just looking to see if I can see that kingfisher anywhere before we get settled down. There's a robin just landed in the tree. There's a little blue tit, a young juvenile blue tit on the feeder. The robin's coming in. There's a pair of little blue tits there. Right, we're inside the hide now, I'm getting set up. There's a perch there just above that little pond in front of us. And that's generally where the kingfisher are.
Most people seem to prefer this pond because they're very interested in the kingfisher.
Uh-huh.
But the little hut across there wasn't hardly used. That was probably
in the
better
woodland
because you had a load of the woodland birds coming in.
No, there was definitely a lot more to see there.
But yeah, really, I'd imagine it's just mostly going to be the kingfisher and all.
Like a duck or something, aye. It's all about the kingfisher from here.
That's what most people seem to be interested in, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that one's a crappy little hood, but that's some good stuff.
I've still got that on record there, just in case the kingfisher comes in. But I'm just looking at the eyewitness to see if I can spot anything around this side. That was a great squirrel on the floor there. There's a robin up the tree.
See the robin just
blue tit on there.
Sitting on a branch there.
When we first came in, the kingfisher flew straight past this shed and all, didn't it? Past this hide. I bet it was going to that top hide where we just came from.
Might have been that. Good. Why would it gone there, really?
I know. But people say it does go there. That's a coot, isn't it? Or a water hen. I think it's a water hen that makes that noise. And it's a young bird in this pond in front of us just here. I'll get it on camera here. And it's probably going to be the young one.
What do you think? That is a coot.
I think that's what it is now. Or the water hen. The water hen. I can hear the parent bird over there. That's probably what it's going to be. It doesn't look like it hasn't got the duck bill, you know. It's flicking its back end like it is the water hen. I've got a lot of foliage in front of us and I cannot. The camera's losing the bird because of it.
Really, the kingfisher doesn't turn up here. There's not really that much else to see, is there?
No, not a lot.
It looks much better now with ponds and that, doesn't it? Better over there.
The woodland's definitely better than this.
Trying to get into the friggin' feeder. Some jackdaw there. Look around. And there's a magpie just landed in the tree there. I didn't think.
We're not going to see the kingfisher. We've seen like a few other birds and that here. I'm just looking on the camera at the top of that hill over there. Just to see how clear it is when I zoom in, like, because it's probably a couple of mile away or something. I'm just going to see what kind of quality picture it gets when this might be RE, this, like, for the winter. But the kingfisher just landed in that thorn, in the hawthorn trees when we came in, but it hasn't come backward. I can hear the woodpecker quite close. Oh, there's a woodpecker on the feeder, man. Now you've just shut the window.
Oh, it's
got the bright red head on it and everything.
Let's see if we can get the light scared off like me.
You will if you open the window. Or just try and get it through the window, Philip.
Okay.
Aye. We'll just...
We're just kind of leaving the woodpeckers went to land on this feeder here. Great spot. We didn't get the lesser spotted up this way, do we?
No,
it's more
no.
Sort of doing south. Is it south?
Aye, it's further down, aye. And they reckon they're hard to come by down there, no?
The little, aren't they?
Aye, they're only half the size of them. Not much bigger than a sparrow, isn't it? They're quite small. Oh no, it's a little blue tip. I thought I seen something flying through the back.
Some good close shots, so I've got to use them.
Oh, he did brilliant shots of the woodpecker on that. It's not what I expected. There's a kingfisher. You ever peeping?
Yeah, we're there.
Wonder where it's gonna be. I'll get this camera on the front here, just in case. It's in here somewhere.
Not in this one again, because it might come at the back if it does.
It could come to either side of here, couldn't it? It was in them trees in that thorn last time we were here, and it lands on this pitch, so I'll cover this side and I'll let you cover that side, just in case it lands one way or the other.
It's up the tree there.
It's only C4 up there, instead. Quite clearly. I don't know if it's because the two males. Because they seem to scare each other off, didn't they, straight away? I knew I'd heard another one calling. Oh, they're the back. Oh, they're fighting. One's chased the other one away. He's back on the feeder.
The other one's away, isn't it?
Ah, the other one flew away. We came here to try and get some shots of the kingfisher, really, but
Well,
I'm more pleased seeing this woodpecker, to be honest.
I looked at
The great spotted woodpecker, it's just because you see them from a distance in the woodland. Oh, there's a squirrel coming back up the tree.
Oh, see it at the bottom there. There's a little
Woodpecker's
young
not bad.
blue tit trying to get back on the feeder there, but I think it's scared off by this
Squirrel.
wait,
Oh, the woodpecker, no, like,
both.
because they're territorial, aren't they?
Mm.
Oh, is that another bird coming in?
Oh, it's a little young blue tit again. You can see the young like as I. Oh,
They haven't got a lot of colour, have they? No.
that's just went up the tree a
Yeah,
bit there.
it's just a couple of foot up there. I can see it just behind the branches there.
It's doing what woodpeckers do. Pecking.
Pecking at the wood. There's cuts and water hens on that pond. I can see a pair of cuts as well.
Have a good look around that woodpecker.
That's alright. It must have gotten enough food to feed its young. No, that's brilliant. Right, so we'll call that it for this then? 'Cause it doesn't look like we're going to see the kingfisher, does it?
We'll shoot this again.
Aye.
Same thing will happen.
Yeah, you know.